The former Zimbabwe National Army ZNA boss, Anselm Sanyatwe, has boldly declared that ZANU-PF will govern Zimbabwe forever. Sanavana mashoko kudaitoka panapa aiwa the ex-army chief Sanyatwe achiti ZANU-PF icharula aiwa Zimbabwe kusvika nokusingaperi. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina muno panapa mubudanyuka mchinzi. Now serving as the Minister of Sports, Recreation and Arts and Culture, Sanyatwe made the controversial remark while speaking to members of the Seventh-day Adventist SDA Church, Nyanga North, during a weekend gathering. He said, ZANU-PF ichatonga kusvika madhongi amira nyanga. Ndazvitaura izvozvo nokuti handisisiri mauto. Pane vakambohukura ndazvitaura zvakare. Ndiri kuzvidzokorora pamberi pekereke kuti uchida usingade tichakutonga kusvika madhongi amira nyanga. Panapa panoenda mberi vachiti Sanyatwe was accompanying his wife, Chido, the area's MP, as she received a donation of groceries from Taguresi Bridging Gibbs Foundation. But not everyone was impressed. Responding on X, formerly Twitter, on Sunday, Lawyer Tavanumpof took issue with Sanyatwe's decision to make such a political statement during a church service, questioning whether it was the right time or place for that kind of partisan talk. Tavanumpof ambranya achiti, Sanyatwe goes to my church and in my absence accuses me of kuvukura. Now that's political talk and is totally excusable. What's not excusable is him saying this on the pulpit on the Sabbath, the holy day of the Lord, and in the presence of my church leaders. How does a ZANU-PF politician declare during a church service that his party will rule Zimbabwe forever? Back in 2024, while speaking at a ZANU-PF rally in Nyanga, Sanyatwe declared the party would rule forever, even saying the army was ready to use force to make sure people voted the right way. He went as far as promoting command voting in front of local villagers. At the time, Sanyatwe was still commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, making declaration even more controversial. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino atoona kuti aiwa vana Sanyatwe vari kufaiwa vachinzi zvamuri kuita izvi aiwa tiri kungoti ivi ndimi mamwe mageneral vachatomirira nechokwadi muchiita kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ive liberated. But panguva ino tiona vana Sanyatwe vachiva included pane mageneral akanzi generals for sale napo mushogesa vari kuonekwa kuzi these generals they are useless, havabetseri chinhu, just because vanorengera aiwa chaos chiroka munyika yeZimbabwe vachiprotecta zvegananda. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu muise mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.